This homeowner has a system that is less than a year old. And guess what? Completely flat on refrigerant from a manufacturer rub out. This is a Goodman system, and they are notorious for having rub outs on the cap tubes. And guess what? This one rubbed out and lost all its charge. So here we are with an obvious visible rub out. You can see where right here it was rubbing against the header on this condenser coil. That's just the start of it. This is where things go south. I was here for a maintenance a couple weeks ago, and I noticed the compressor was making a growling noise. I made notes in there saying, hey, you know, whoever installed this system, they didn't do a good job. You'll see right here, that's a Goodman system. It was installed. Guess what? Wasn't registered. Good thing is, fortunately for them, here in the state of Florida in 2023, it doesn't matter. It carries a 10-year warranty, right? But here's the kicker. Reached out to our primary factory rep. This is what we got going on. This compressor sounds like shit. I sent them a video of it growling, sounding like rocks were in the system. I guarantee you, this compressor is going to fail prematurely. And I also let them know we had a massive leak at the cap tube. This is their response. So, just when you think it couldn't get any worse than where we are now, these corporations, these manufacturers who knowingly put equipment out into distribution that's going to fail will not stand behind their name and honor their products. So now, it's literally 97 degrees in this house. I'm in Florida, so you guys know it gets really hot. And this lady, she's in her 80s. It's very hot. And we wanted a whole new condenser because I know that this compressor is going to fail. But guess what? They don't want to give us a new condenser. They blamed it on a maintenance issue. This is how these are always set up. These are always up against each other. Now, whenever I install a Goodman, I literally go inside and I'll pull these apart. So that doesn't happen. Obviously, this customer went with a lower bid, which is fine, you know what I mean? But when you get a lower bid, you're not going to get the qualified guys that understand to do those things or do the right techniques for the system. So now this customer is stuck with a large bill because I have to bring all these tools out. I got to refill the refrigerant completely, make sure the system is good, braze that, change the filter dryer down there because Goodman has the shittiest design, but it's a maintenance issue. And with Goodman, they know it's a problem. They can't ignore the fact that that is a massive issue, a massive failure point in their equipment, and they don't want to take accountability. This is getting out of hand. I don't know what we can do as small entities in the world of HVAC, plumbing, electrical, any of the trades, or anything that you guys are involved in to mitigate these problems. Hold these corporations accountable, these private equity firms that are taking over and ruining the integrity and the true craftsmanship of hard workers out there like us. You know, my hands are tied at this point, and you know, to get a response like that actually just, it floored me and it really pissed me off. Hopefully this makes it to Goodman and they can see where they fucked up on this. That's why I use other distributors, other supply houses such as Tropic Supply. Shout out to my boys at Tropic. Shit like this would not slide. They would make it right immediately. Whereas here, they're so big, they got enough chuck in the trucks that are going to buy this piece of equipment. So much of it's going to be out there because nobody cares about it. They just want the bottom dollar price, and this is the cheapest shit on the market, and that's all they care about. I get it. The bean counters, that's all they're worried about. Hopefully the manufacturers see it, the distributors see it, and if you have a voice, put it out there because they need to know that they're screwing over their homeowners, they're screwing over companies, technicians, honest, hardworking people. When we're out here trying to take care of the customers to make sure they're good, they're worried about maintenance issues on clear manufacturing defaults. But I'm not going to get too much further into it. I got to fix this system, get it up and running. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you could, smash that like button, consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all, and I will catch y'all on the next one. Later.